Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video I will clean out half of my makeup collection. I will declutter makeup that I don't use and brands I don't know. So if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about makeup, please don't forget to click the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any beauty video. So the first thing I have is this train case that I purchased years ago at Ulta Beauty. So that's what I'm going to declutter and clean out half of this makeup because half of them I don't use. So this is all the makeup that I have in my train case that I'm going to declutter. So now I am doing the mascara. So far I was doing more mascaras and random lip products. So now I'm just going through mascaras that I don't know. Just try to find out. These I'm definitely going to keep. Let's see. So I'm keeping all of these. I never heard of this brand. It's like a rocking brand all night. But I'm just gonna keep it because of the packaging. It's just so nice. I really like the packaging of the mascara. But I never heard of it. So that's a brand that I don't know. Okay, so now I'm doing the other side. Okay, so now that I looked through both sides of the train case, now what I'm gonna do on the inside, I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes and all other stuff in here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take everything out. Okay, so I just took out everything that was in the inner part of my train case. Now I'm just gonna go through them. Okay, so now going through my makeup bag from Amazon, another place where I store my makeup. is Becca Ultimate Coverage Foundation. I don't know if you know that Becca Cosmetic got discontinued, so they're no longer. I love their highlighters. That their product was amazing, so I'm just gonna keep this as a souvenir. I really like their makeup brand, and I was very disappointed for them to be bankrupt and they just went out of business. You can see I just like these are all that I'm keeping. I really love these products, so I'm keeping all of this. So I'm just going through the setting powder. Guys, so this is it, how I organized it. Okay, my last makeup collection. Half of my makeup collection, because I have more than this. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video of me decluttering half of my makeup collection. If you guys want a part 2 of the other half of my makeup collection that is in my room, please let me know in the comment down below. So don't forget to click the subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.